Hello folks, welcome back to Shib. Shiba Inu cost is around to twofold this night. Tremendous Shib news. Cryptocurrencies are picking up ubiquity and acknowledgement with unused coins and tokens routinely hitting the advertise like Shiba Inu, and the dispatch of Shirim is an up-and-coming layer 2 or L2 blockchain organized built on Ethereum for Shiba Inu. It'll change Shiba Inu, a meme coin, into a total environment. In this video, conversation around SH cost is around to twofold this night. Colossal dispatch news. Do not disregard to crush the thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent substance on Shiba Inu pre-IS forecasts and master examination. Without advance ado, let's start the video. Shiba Inu has gotten to be a significant meme coin and has secured a position within the beat 20 cryptocurrencies by showcase capitalization. The group behind Shib has kept up a relentless pace of improvement in different ventures. The transport biological system has been very known for its eminent benchmarks and breakthrough accomplishments. In one of the later points of reference, Binance divulged the choice to move Shiba Inu out of the advancement zone on April 18, concurring to the points of interest of a later declaration. The biggest cryptocurrency trade has divulged its choice to move Shiba Inu nearby other tokens, counting for Shib Believe wallet token and one and out of the development zone. On April 18, Binance said within the declaration that the advancement zone was presented to grant Binance clients a secure put to exchange and used and imaginative projects. Over time, a few of these ventures may have demonstrated their worth and meet the high level of standard that we anticipate. Binance expressed that after cautious audits, the trade has chosen to move Shib and these other tokens out of the advancement zone. Shib accomplished this turning point after Binance conducted audits based on different components. So in person made a script for the creation of millions of wallets in an endeavor to stretch test the network. PuppyNet, the beta adaptation of Shibu Shirim arrange, proceeds to witness a spike within the number of facilitated wallets, provoking interest with respect to the basic cause of this sudden spike. Concurring to later divulgences, a script was created to create millions of wallets to push test the organize. A group part behind Transport Pixel Pups, a Shiba Inu based NFT venture, unveiled in a later tweet. The person uncovered that they wrote a script that created over 9.5 million wallets on PuppyNet and carried out over 3 million exchanges on the beta range and expansion. The group part went on to reveal that they were moreover responsible for creating around 1,620 tokens on the test arrange. Transport Pixel Pups DAO SP DAO and Dispatch Pixel Pups token SPX are among these tokens. Information from Puppy Filter, the assigned peace pioneer for PuppyNet, appears that the organize as of now brags a noteworthy 13.3 million wallet address ES with an exchange tally of over 3.47 million. Review that the number of wallets as of late surged by 86% inside 2 days, surpassing 5 million. This script was the catalyst behind this momentous spike. The objective of the test organize is to supply interested partners with an opportunity to conduct different tests on the network to confirm its adequacy and constancy before its dispatch on the most net. As more than once emphasized by Shoshiro Kusama, the Shiba Inu lead all exercises tokens and exchanges watched on the test net are simply for testing purposes and are not genuine. Creating a script to generate millions of wallets on the test arrange may be a commendable exertion, since it can help in assessing the versatility and proficiency of the blockchain. Moreover, it can offer assistance in identifying any potential bugs or glitches which will happen amid the method. Stretch testing the arrange is vital for assessing its unwavering quality. The script makers expressed they pointed to assess the network's capacity to handle tall traffic circumstances like diversions and airdrops. In expansion, they specified running an airdrop script and other tests to evaluate the network's exchange time resilience and other capabilities. As of presently, there have been no detailed bugs within the past month of walk. The transport burns have been very amazing. In walk, 6.78 billion transport tokens were burned, with 540 exchanges. Both the absolute number of dispatch devastated and the number of exchanges hence showed a critical increment compared to the previous months. The walk burn was the most noteworthy since October 2022, when 9.05 billion Shib were burned in 2,433 exchanges. Recently, the transport burn tracker reported that over 34.92 million Shinu were burned in 3 exchanges, with 2,531 million Shib coming from a single wallet. This largest exchange came from the Coinbase-related wallet Coinbase 10, which exchanged a whopping 25,3397 transport to the burn address in a single This exchange caused the overall burn rate by 1.8% compared to the previous day. 2.93 million SHIB. A sign of the upward drift too comes from the prospects advertised since the starting of March. Shibu has seen an increment in open intrigue. The metric is the number of dynamic positions financial specialists have taken in contracts concurring to CoinGlass data. The number of open prospects has surpassed 2.4 trillion, transport identical to approximately $26.78 million fair a month back. OI was as it were around $18 million. The increment in open intrigued is proof of dealers developing intrigued in dispatch. When the dispatch cost hit its annually tall of 0.159 in early February, the OI was $47.3 million at press time. The Shiba Inu cost stood at $0.0000001083 as talked about on news. The transport cost is right now trading in a rising triangle, which is a continuation design with today's plunge to 0.164. Dispatch has composed a modern higher move in this manner. The uptrend remains intaglio. A last choice on whether the bulls or bears win may come by the conclusion of April. Shiba Inu has begun capturing financial specialists' consideration of late as its prospects open intrigued. OI as of late sky soared to 2.4 trillion tokens, $2,751 million in the midst of a continuous uptick that begun a month back. This rising pattern suggests a recharging of interest, evoking expectations of a price surge. Prospects open intrigued alludes to the whole number of extraordinary prospects contracts not settled or closed out by an offsetting exchange. Basically, it speaks to the number of contracts that are still active and held by the showcase members. When an asset's open intrigued increments PES exponentially, it generally suggests that a critical sum of new cash streams into the advertise which dealers are taking positions. An expectation of cost developments per information from CoinGlass. A prospects exchanging insights stage. Shiba Inu's open intrigued has increased by over 52% from the move of $18.05 million seen on March 13 to the current level of $2,751 million worth of transport tokens. 2.4 trillion. The OI chart uncovers a relationship between SHIB's open intrigued and its cost activity, as the resource's cost frequently registers an uptick when its OI increments. OI expanded to 3.2 trillion tokens, $47.3 million on February 5. This was went with by a surge in SHIB's cost to 0.1527 on that day, the resource's most elevated esteem this year. In any case, SHIB's OI begun declining after February 5, and the resource's cost moreover started enrolling plunges following a decay to the low on walk 13th. The open intrigued is once more seeing a surge in value. Financial specialists are anticipating the asset's cost to take after suit. Re-established request for SHIM has moreover been noticed in exchange volume on Binance since dropping to 1.58 trillion SHIB on April 8. Shiba's volume on Binance has relentlessly expanded day by day. Within the past 4 days, volume for nowadays as of now stands at 2.44 trillion tokens. In spite of its current underperformance, dispatch is looking to break over in rising triangle. It is right now stuck in the midst of the amplified union period. The resource is right now trading for 0.0011, down 0.97% in the past 24 hours. But up 0.8% within the past 1 hour. A breakup of the triangle seems. See dispatch target the February highs of 0.0015. Later patterns recommend that the resource has gotten to be a favorite among showcase members, and an increment in requests seen bolster its objectives. Coin Advertise Cap's Q1 2023 report uncovered that SHIB was among the best 3 most seen resources over all landmasses. The Shiba Inu community too as of late prodded a notorious organization with legendary performer Scott Pagee, as well as an NFT collaboration with Beat American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms, which would see Storms acknowledge SHIB on his official store. That's the wrap for today. Don't disregard to crush the thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.